Hey guys, if you're starting up a small business and you know, especially brick and mortar, you're going to need an open sign. That might be exactly what I have for you guys here in the box. Now, this is one large LED open sign. Comes with the cable, the control button. It comes with your power supply, your mounting holes, your chain, all that kind of cool jazz. Let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. So you get two generic signs. One is just going to be your standard open sign. You do get that, and it comes, it's the type that has the little clock and the close symbol and everything like that on the back. That is really nice. And you get a schedule sign that you can also set up in your store someplace to give, people information on what days you're open, the hours, times you open and close. That's really nice as well. Now, the sign itself is an LED sign, guys. So you're going to have a number of different components. So to give you a rundown, let's say this is the end from the sign, as you guys see right here. So check this out. So you have multiple little LEDs that run all the way around this sign. Now, it has these little mounting, I guess you want to call them little plungers that allows you to connect the pieces of the sign together. And then your wiring harness and everything is going to be in the back of the sign. You're just going to connect those. And then you also have your power supply that connects with your on and off switch. Okay, so let's take everything out of the box and set this thing up really quickly. Okay, guys, I'm just going to show you some parts of putting this together. As you guys can see, we have our O, P, E, and N for spelling out the word open. Now, starting out to connect these, let's just say using our O and our P, these two are going to connect right about here. Now, it does come with some hardware that allows us to connect those, so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Now, in your box, you're also going to get the chain that you're going to use for hanging this, as well as those little pieces that I mentioned to connect everything together. And you also get these little rubber pieces that are going to be used for, putting, mounting these on a window or a door or something like that, so you can, clip these the chain component of it up. All right, so let's take all of these things out of the way. And you also get some spare, these little plungers, just in case you need to replace one of those. So it comes with that as well. Now, the cube that connects everything together is just a little clear plexiglass, as you guys can see here. Now, the way this works is that you're just going to press these in, and these will pop through just like that. And you're going to do the same on both sides. And then you would take the other side of your sign and you're going to do basically the same thing. You're just going to press those through just like so. So as you guys can see here on the end, we have our additional connectors for the sign. Now all we need to do is do the rear wiring on the back. So let's flip this around. Okay, so if you're looking at this from the back, you have these 4 wires here. So the closest one is going to be this one right here. So it looks like that one just connects like so. And then you can, expand these out all the way. So the next one in line, we're just going to connect that one as well. And you can see the little prongs here, which direction they're going. So you're just going to go ahead and plug that one in. And these are just long enough to reach to the areas where they need to go. So the longest one is going to reach all the way over here to the O. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to line up those little prongs and you're going to clip that together. Okay. So now you have your sign set up. Now this cable is fairly long. As you guys can see, you do have your on and off switch here. And then you have your wall plug. So we're just going to take this little rubber band off here. And then this just plugs in like so. All right, so let's give it a little power. And there we go, guys. There is your open sign. The simplest thing that you want to be able to do is just to turn it on and off. And you have that control right here. So if you're setting up your sign for your new business, you get your chain, you get everything else you need to set up this sign. So definitely check this out. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys this open sign. All right, I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.